Well, here's what I know from experience. A good marketing system can completely transform your business. In fact, I've used a similar system by the same people who created Lead Lightning to build a huge business online. But to get results like this, you gotta have a system in place that converts your website visitors into customers. You need a system, and one that converts, something you can just plug in, start marketing, and it just works. And that's why I'm so excited about Lead Lightning. What you've got in front of you is a lead attraction machine that works like crazy. And oh yeah, by the way, it spits out daily commissions too. And here's why it works. First, what we're gonna do is give you a high converting lead capture page designed to attract the right kind of prospect. Someone who's interested in either making money from home, or building their email list, or building a home-based business, or even a network marketing company. So right from the start, every lead coming through your system is extremely targeted. And when your prospect submits their name and email on your lead capture page, their info goes directly into your contact manager. And then this initiates a professionally written autoresponder campaign that sends them a series of follow-up emails automatically. Inserted in the body of each email is a clickable link that directs your prospects to any website that you choose. You could send them to an affiliate offer from either ClickBank or JVZoo, Deal Guardian. You could send them to a video to learn more about your business opportunity. You could send them a link to join your membership program or your coaching program. You could send them to your own website and sell your own product. And what this does is it creates leads, exposure, and even sales for the product that you're trying to market. Another great thing about our system is the autoresponder campaign is going to automatically default to promote only the Lead Lightning program, unless you decide to plug in any of your other businesses. Now, after your prospect opts into our Lead Lightning capture page, they'll land on a sales page, just like this one, offering them the Lead Lightning system. The system tracks everything for you. And then you can log into your back office and see a list of all your leads, all your buyers that'll be showcased for you. And these are your leads exclusively. And everything is completely set up and ready to go for you right now, including your lead capture page, your sales page, and your done for you autoresponder campaigns. You don't have to do a thing. It's ready to go right now. One of the great features of your powerful marketing system is the contact management system. And you can log in and rate all your prospects and take notes on all the conversations you have with them. You're provided with pre-written emails that you can send out. There's also very detailed commissions tracking so you know exactly how much money you're going to make. And you get professionally designed banners, quality traffic vendors that you can buy traffic from or get leads from, and a training area packed with amazing content that shows you how to get leads, customers, traffic, and more exposure, including hundreds of dollars of internet marketing training, absolutely free. And here's the kicker. While the high-end custom marketing systems can cost you up to $97 a month or more, when you join today, you'll get this entire done-for-you marketing system to get leads and commissions for any product you're promoting for a one-time fee of only $7. Yeah, I didn't stutter. I said $7. And you get everything I've shown you. Plus, this system can become your 24/7 income generating machine. You see, when you share Lead Lightning with others, you'll pocket over 85% of every $7 sale. That's right, you get to keep $6 from every $7 sale, paid directly to you weekly every Wednesday. And this isn't small change either. The $6 commissions can add up very fast. And with our high converting marketing system, you'll be making these $6 commissions over and over and over again on autopilot. Just 6 sales every day using our simple marketing plan will turn into thousands of dollars a month in extra income. And if it's more money you're going after, get excited. because lead lightning will unlock the doors for much greater commissions along with thousands of dollars in long-term residual income. The market we're going after is millions of people worldwide, and there are thousands of direct sellers, network marketers, affiliate marketers, internet marketers, and even local businesses that are desperate for more leads. And now you're offering them this amazing solution that you've been searching for, that they've been searching for, and it's just $7 one time. Anyone can make money with this lead lightning system. It's just really that simple.